there, welcome to my YouTube channel. We will approach again another SolidWorks tutorial that is a reducer, a PVC reducer. So let's begin doing it. Sketch, and then let's choose the front plane, and then let's check the units from document properties to units. So let's use the inch. Okay, press the OK. Let's do the circle. Press in the middle the point, and then let's do some dimension. Let's do it as 3 inch. So I'll press 3.5. The 0.5 is the outside diameter of a PVC for a 3 inch is equivalent to 3.5 units is in inch. So you don't need to put it as exactly as 3 inch. This is a nominal. So you need to put 3.5 as the real outside diameter of a PVC. Click to generate the model with the current value, and press the checkbox that is save the current value, and get out of the dimension dial box. Okay, and then let's do some offset on that one. Will be reverse. You see that the yellow circle is outside of the circle, so we need to put it inside in order for the thickness. The thickness will be not 0.10, but it's about 0.25. Okay, let's get out of the offset entities. That is, click OK. And now let's do some picture property. It's to extrude the circle, the two circle. So let's do something like 2 inch. The unit will be in inch, so it's 2 inch. That is the boss extrude going out. That is from the blind side, and then it's about 2 inch. And click OK. Now let's do some kind of a plane from here. I'm gonna make a plane from this base of the pipe, PVC pipe. Let's say the only one plane. So let's say 0.5. Let's see the 0.5, or more than that, maybe 0.75 as that I'm gonna make for another plane, and click OK. Now I have to make some sketch on that plane 1. So, and it is, you see that there is some points that is usually when you see that there is a point, it is been grabbed by the SolidWorks. So press now the sketch. That's automatically you can make a sketch, so you don't need to touch it anymore or click it. So click a sketch and then go to the normal tool, so you can make another circle. Let's do some circle. That is, let's put the circle as a diameter of, let's say, 2.375 inch, I'll regenerate the model with a parent value of 2.375 because usually I want the diameter to be 2 inches, but the nominal is 2 inches. But the original size of the outside pipe is 2.375. You can Google it so you can check the right size. And then let's do some kind of offset. It's inside. We have to do a reverse one. That is 0.25. So let's do that one. Click. Okay. And let's do again the picture. That is, let's say, 1.5. That's a unit of an inch. Okay. And click OK. So you see that there is already 2 pipes of PVC. And let's hide this one by clicking in right side and then hide. I want something to have something like a line here, and then it will revolve around the axis of the PVC pipe. So let's do that. I'm gonna do some what you call that? It's the sketch. I'm gonna sketch it. Let's do the right. You can still see the normal tool. So let's do some sketch. And then I use the line. Okay. And this one. And also the line here. Let's do that one. And then offset it with 0.25. Okay. Let's use the extend from that point. Let's do some trimming. Cut this one. Let's do some extend entities. Okay. And let's do again some cutting. What is this one? About this one, I'm gonna cut also this one. So now it's properly been trimmed. Let's do some. Okay. And then let's do some. Let's get out of the sketch first. And then let's do some axis. I'm gonna mix some axis to this area. So you see that I touch the base of the PVC, which automatically make a one line axis edge. So let's click the OK button to get out of the axis dialog box. And now you can see that there is now an axis, so you can use now a rotation of this, the first drawing that I made. So let's do some picture and then revolve both base. So let's use this as the axis will be not that one. The axis will be supposed to be this one. So the axis of revolution is the axis 1. So the one that need to be revolved onto that is this one. Okay, I just found out that there's a tin. It automatically have a tin. So when I see that one, I had to remove the tin picture in order to make it look more correct onto the BBC pipes. So both pipes are now being joined by the merge result. That you have to click it. If you don't, you remove the checkbox on the merge result, it will not be joined for this. This solid will not join the other two solids, so it will not make us a reducer. So let's do that. Merge the result and unclick the thin picture, and only one direction, that is a 360 degree. So he revolved 360 degree onto the axis. So let's get out of the revolve dialog box, click OK. Now you can see now that it is been made very nice. And let's see, I'm gonna take a jumper onto both sides. So let's do the jumper only at 0.25. Unit is 1 inch, too much. So let's do some 0.25, maybe 1. Let's see. Yeah, looks like that one is good. So let's do some editing again of the picture so I can put something here. Okay. And let's get out of the jumper and let's do some fillet onto this side. But it's supposed to be 0.1 as the unit, as in inch. So just a little cleaning onto the surface or the joint of the pipes, which is only 0.1. So it's good. And then let's get or hide the axis of rotation, that is the hide. So you can see that it is nicely been done. From 2 inch to 3 inch pipe, where there's a pipe going in is 2, and then going out is 3. But the diameter is 2.375, and then the diameter of the outside of the 3 inch will be 3.5. So let's do some material placement. Click the add buttons and then browse, and then click the miscellaneous, the plastic. It's a plastic and it's a high gloss. And let's see the color. Maybe I had to choose something like white, and then click OK. So this is white, but it is look like gray, but we will see it in one of the rendering. So let's do some rendering. So let's do this one, a quick rendering, where it is let's do some photo view. The rendering is photo view 360, and then let's render it right away. It's a fast one. Continue without the camera on perspective. Let's check it out. Let's see. Okay. Wow, that is really nice. I open up a SolidWorks Visualize Professional, and then let's do, this is for rendering purposes only. So we open the project itself, and 203 is the project itself, exercise. So let's open it, and just want to show it to you. Let's see. So let's do some rendering. Tools, render, exercise 203, and let's go to the folder with this 203. Select JPEG render none 2000 by 1600 and start rendering. Sorry. Wow, that is cool. Sorry for that. Too much of monitoring. Now it's been rendered. Okay.